So now let's go to, I want to teach on how to now customize your website. So before this time, after you have gotten your website, and because your website is configured with WordPress, so you go to your Google Play Store and download WordPress app. So you're going to see my own WordPress app now. You download the WordPress app on your phone and use the details they give you, the information they give you to set it up. So this is my WordPress app here. WordPress app, you click it. So this is my website. You can see my website now. Onyezeone's blog. Okay, so this is my website. Now, if you want to now go to, in this website now, here is post. You will see some of my posts. So these are some of my posts. Are you seeing it now? Now, if you want to view this post now, these are some of my posts. So you want to, let's view one of my posts. Okay, let's view one of my posts. You click here. No, just click here, it's still view. So you click here, let's view one of my posts. Okay, you see my posts. So this is one of my posts. Let's click. As you look at this post now, let's click. Pull here. You see another post. Nigerian State Police overdue 3 best reasons. You can see my post now. So this is my website. You can see the articles I wrote here. See the articles I wrote here. Okay. So these are the articles. You can read to the end. So these are my affiliate companies that I'm doing affiliate with. If you click this Jumia now, I am doing affiliate with Jumia. If you click here now, it will take you to Jumia's website where you can buy anything if you want to buy. You see this Jumia? Are you seeing it now? So take you to Jumia. Are you getting it? So that's how it works. That's how affiliate marketing works. Once your site begins to grow, you now have Jumia and other affiliate companies you can be marketing with. So once somebody click your advert on your website, they'll go to the company, and when they buy, so when anybody buys something from my website now, buy something from Jumia, like this phone now, somebody buy this phone 145,000, Jumia will pay me some percentage. Okay, that is affiliate marketing. So let's move away from that. So this is my website. Okay, I have there are other adverts inside. Okay, these are just the website. So now what we now do, we'll go back to this place. This is and now remember, I didn't say that in the first video. Every website have what we call front end and back end. Are you getting now? The place I show you my article just now, where I show you Jumia, that is the front end. That is where people will always see when they come to your website. But this area we are now here is the back end. So the back end is the area where the admin of the website will always use to upload, to edit, to do things, because it is your own. So there is a website, that is where you have the password and your username, so you don't give it to anybody. But the other side is where when people open it, let me open it again, let's view. Are you seeing it now? So this is the front end. This side is the area where people see on your website. Okay, that's the side. Now let's go back. So this side now is the back end. The other one where people see when they type on their browser. For example, if you type on your browser now, www.onyezeoneblog, what you will see is my front end. But I am myself, I can go to my front end, I can still come to my back end. So from the back end, let's go back. So right now, I'll show you my post. I want to show you how to start doing customization. You now come to the last down here, WordPress admin.
got
Okay,
mail.
press admin. You click on that. Okay, like say put your password. Okay, let's try something first. Okay, what is mine? I won't do that online now. I will pause the video. I will pause the video, and then after I put my password and open it, I will come back. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video here so that I don't expose my this. Okay. Okay, so I've opened it. So once you click where you saw just now, admin, WP admin, that's WordPress admin, put your password, you now come to this place. This is your dashboard. Can you see it here? This is now your website dashboard. That is what the one I called your back end. Okay, that is the back end of your website. So these three dots here, when you click it, you will see menus. These three, in any website, these three dots represent menu. I click it now and look at all you have seen. Whatever you want to do here, you cannot see. Look at this. You can see I have the landing page. There are, my team is Block C. I have SiteKit. I have many things here, plugins. Okay, so you can know that as time. Some of them will come with these things. Some of them you are the one to put them yourself. Like most of these plugins. See, this is plugins. You put some of them by yourself. Okay, gradually, since the training is still going on, if you decide to open your own website, I'll be educating you from time to time. As long as you are already my student, I will keep taking you on the study until you have mastered it. There is no big deal about that. So let's go back. Let's go back to dashboard. Okay, this dashboard. What do you now do? We want to go to let's locate that is customization. To customize. Let's locate customize. Let's locate where you can pass through to customize your website. Okay, now let's go back here. If I want to customize, where do I pass through now? That's what I want to show you. You want to customize your website. Let's go to settings. You have settings here. What did it say? Please, this website, don't click anything anyhow so that you don't make mistakes. Don't click anything anyhow. Okay, don't click anything anyhow. First and foremost, once you come to this place, the first thing you must do here is to set your website link. That is the address of your post. We call it permalink. As you click settings, come to permalink. Okay, click on the permalink. This is one of the errors I made during my own time. I didn't get, but later on I was able. I had to change my address. Now when you come to permalink, listen very well. These are the common things here. You have plan. You come to post name. This is the address you must put. All of these are just different address. What does this signify? When you post an article, if you go with day and time, day and name, it will be too long. The address will be too long. If you go with month and name plus your name, your website name, it will be too long. So sometimes long address does not really sound well on website. So what you do, just use only post name. When you use post name, it will only be your name and the post. That is all. Then after you put it, see it here, post name, then you come to this place and click save changes. Once you click save changes, and then you are done. So you go back to the next side again, click on this one again. We're now going to look for how to go for to customize. Please, like I told you, don't press anything without having understanding, because it might affect how your website will begin to run. So now let's touch appearance. Let's go on appearance. Okay, you see appearance. Now you see theme, you see customize, you see widgets, you see menus, you see additional CSS, and you see pop-up builders. So that's there you see theme filter. So you now click on customize. Okay, are you following it? Click on customize, and to open you to where you begin to customize. Are you seeing that? This is my this is my website name, Onyezewan's blog. Okay, so it's opening. Let's wait a little bit. It's opening. Good. So you can see my theme here. This theme is called Block C. Now, before you do anything, if your own is new, they will ask you to choose theme. Now, I'm not changing my theme. It says change. I don't want to change it. My theme is okay. So what I now do, click on the theme you want. Once you click it, you will see varieties of free theme and paid theme. Because the moment you pay for your website, it automatically, if you pay for your website, automatically becomes WordPress.org. But if you are using free WordPress, that will be WordPress.com. Are you getting that? So free WordPress is website.com, but paid one is website WordPress.org. So there are free theme for free website. There are also themes for paid website. So you can use whether the free one. Once you have the .org, which is the paid one, you have enough theme. Okay, so you have enough theme. Look at all the themes here. So I don't want to click on this theme, so I don't make serious changes on my website. So once you click it on the theme here, active theme, I say it's active, just click there, pick one, and then once you pick one, it will now bring you here. And here see general. When you click general, let's click general. It asks you what to do. Okay, this is general. The layout, the buttons, all of these things, set them one after the other. Okay, that is how to customize. Then let's talk on the layout. This is the layout. Customizing general layout. You see, I will not click kind of just show you anything I do here now. If I click change, I must click changes, otherwise it will not change. So stretch it as you want it, the layout as you want it to be, it will go. Okay, then let's go back to that. Then you say buttons. Okay, these are the buttons. You set up the buttons the way you want it to be on your, then you go back again. Then here is, this one is what? Okay, this is the beer crumbs. So beer crumbs, so you set it the way you want it to be. Then this one is the form element. Okay, the way your forms on the website will look like. This is the element. So you set the font color, the font size. Again, the font element, that's the writing. Right, put the color you want. Is it black? If you post, for example, now when you post something, the headings should be red, can be red or blue, while the main write-up should be black. Then maybe the links color, if you have a link on your article, the link color can be blue. So that's how I did mine. Are you getting it? The bottom color is blue. Okay, so colors. Then the text color, font color, black. I've seen it. So just put all the color the way you want it, and then you click here, publish. Once you click publish, it becomes. I'm not going to touch anything because I don't want to change it. So when you click something, make sure at the right top here you will see where it say publish. Click it, publish. Then this eye here, this eyeball, this eyeball on top here means that it means preview. You want to see how it look like before you click it. You can touch the eye. The eye will not show you a preview. When you see the preview, before you now publish it. Publishing means to save it, and once you save it, it goes live. When you publish it, it goes live. So, but I'm not touching anything, so we go back. Okay, now the next one is after breadcrumb, the next one is form elements. Okay, we have done that. Next one is this is entry content. Okay, entry content. So left or right block order offer. So you want it to be left, you want it to be right, you put it there, then you come again. Then the next thing here is let's go away from general. We go away from general. You cannot do all these things all together at once. Take it one after the other. The next thing you should do here is header, footer, sidebar, colors, typography. Now header means the head of your blog, of your website. Those head are the topics. See the header, then just set everything you want to set there. You see, you say publish. I'm not going to publish. The header, okay, you go back. The footer, the same thing, that means the under. The sidebar, that means the corner. If you click on the sidebar now, see that if you open my post on laptop, they write up on one side, and there is a sidebar on the right side where you can place adverts. So look at the sign here. So these are just the type of sidebar. You can choose any one here and click publish. That's what it means. So this is different type. So this one is the main. This wide one is the main write-up. The other little one at the side is where you can put different things, picture, advert on your website. If you are using it, if you are using desktop to check it, that's how you will see it. So you move away from sidebar. Then let me still show you footer. This is the footer. The footer is where you have other write-up under it. Okay, at the end of every website, you see a lot of write-up, adverts, addresses, and you want to put your profile. You can put it on the under. So under is all of this. And now, once that is done, we move away from there. We now move into. I've talked about color, typography. I've talked about that. Now, the blog post, single post, categories. Okay, it's a post type. Put on post type. Let's go there and see post type, post structure. Are you seeing it now? If you want your post to be in line 1, 2, 3 up down, or you want it to be across, horizontal or vertical. So that is what this one means. You want your post structure to stay horizontal. 3, 4, 5, 6. This blue one is horizontal, and then this standing one on top is vertical. About 3, or you want it to be this other one to be 2 larger ones. So this is just the structure. You put it the one you want, and then you publish. Let's go back. Then single post. I want it to be on single post. Let's go there. So this one is a single post. When somebody click your laptop, you come to your website, you want them to see it single. That is just this one. Click any of this for here. They are all single with different designs. So you click any one. Let's go back from there. I don't want to click any one. My website is already set. Then talking about category, you click on category and set your post category. That is the category structures, how you want it to be. Is it sometimes even you write some post, it's on social, society, some are on business, some are on health, some are on relationship. So you categorize your post according to what the post is talking about. Okay, so we'll move away from there. So all of these are just how to do pages. Okay, you want to create the pages. You create the pages of your. You choose anyone here for the pages. You must choose one. Like this blue one is the one I have chosen. Anywhere you see this blue one, know that that's the one I have chosen for my website. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. Now we move on. Talk about the authors page. They have the authors page. Okay, have the authors page. You choose the one you want to choose, and then you move away. They'll have other ones. So let's move away from here. These ones are things you can gradually do them from time to time. You can't finish customizing your website in one day. It's not possible. So this is general, and let's move to. I have my landing page. Okay, let's check on the. I want to check on that of the menu. See how you can do your menu. Good. If you come down, you see menu. This is menu. I want to show you something there before I run this one up. So this menu is the aspect where when somebody comes into your website, when they click the menu button, they should be able to use that menu to locate where they are going. The menu button in a website is a directional button. So when somebody clicks menu, like if you click menu on my website, you will see my blog, you will see event, you will see disclaimer, you will see what is again? You will see disclaimer, you will see policy, my policy, my website policy. So all of these things are what you see on the menu. Once you click the menu, so it will open those things for you. If you cannot follow anyone to go to where you want to go to in my website. That's the importance of menu. So when you open this menu, you will not write up all that you want to put on the menu. I don't want to click anything here. So hence this training is going on. The moment you get your website, I will now begin to tell you which one to click, which one to touch, and then you will now customize your website. So having done that, you do it gradually, not one day. You can't finish the customization one day. What you just need to do is to do the main thing, get your website, get a team on your website, then start writing your post, and gradually